What do I do as far as what, like, helping the agents transfer over?
Yeah, as far as transferring all the data over, why is it so much easier with you? Because, dude, I'm looking at things still, and I was like, it's not easy. Like, let's just give an example because it comes up a lot. Command, right? People are like, oh, I'm in Command. Should I be using Command? Should I be using Chime? What the hell should I be using? And I'm like, well, my suggestion is switch everything that you can from Command over to Chime, right? And I'm with Keller. And that's difficult in and of itself. Like, why would I even want to do that? But you simplify it. Where do you start? Where do you start with this whole process of switching?
I start with a strategy.
All right, because Anita says switching CRMs in 20 minutes, you must be super techie. I mean, Anita, he is, but he wants to also simplify it for us, right?
Yeah,
Adam, you're talking to us here. How do you simplify this for us? Where do you start?
I take a look at where the agent, and when I say agent, I also mean a broker if they got like a small firm or something, but I take a look at where the agent is now, what they're doing with their database as far as processes in their current system, whatever. And I'm like CRM agnostic. Like, I don't care what you use. If you want to go to Chime, I can help you. Doesn't matter what it is. So I take a look at what's going on currently, and then the pain points of basically, okay, why are you coming over to Chime? Cool. It's usually one of 5 things. So I already know that going ahead of time. I can strategize based on those pain points what to prioritize, and basically say, okay, cool. So when we move this over, what we're going to do is make this change first in Chime, so that when everybody moves and hits and things start running, we don't have anything else to do. That's just it. It's basically strategizing to maintain efficiency and accuracy in the migration of system A to system B by making sure that the destination is correct first, and the processes that could be automated just as a matter of design are going to go the right way that we planned, and any contingency that we have in mind is already addressed, where, okay, if this happens, that's cool, we can just toggle the smart plans off, it'll be fine, right? It's one thing, like data without direction is completely useless. That's toilet paper to me. Migration without a strategy is the same thing. It's nothing. It's a complete mess you're setting yourself up for. And we typically, when you go from either a brokerage to a brokerage, or in this case a CRM to a CRM, you're doing so to improve the quality of your business, efficiency, effectiveness, profitability, and hopefully get keys to a yacht someday, right? Like, we need to have a plan for that to happen, and not just kind of throw a bunch of darts at a wall and hope they stick.
Yeah.